Hello students, I have been talking about the long-term rewiring of brain during anxiety episodes. During this pandemic, sometimes we feel anxious. It can even lead to digestive problems or some physical problems, ailments like back pain, neck pain, which may, in cyclical form, aggravate the anxiety and panic. So, And now some people are more predisposed to anxiety and some are less. But irrespective of that, it surely leaves a long-term effect on all of us. Some may experience it long after this pandemic situation has got over. So we have to take some action which is deliberate to rewire the brain, and we have to actively engage in this repair to reduce the stress chemical overflow and to present a different model to our brain. Now, having explained this biological basis of anxiety and what it does to our brain, I would now share with you some practical techniques which you can apply in your everyday routine to feel less anxious and to lessen the damage to your brain due to anxiety. First of all, FaceTime, connect with family members, engage in something creative, time for personal reflection, diary writing, all these you have to find out and do engage in these things. In addition to all this, a different technique is reframing, which I have discussed with you earlier also. Reframing your feelings is related to interpersonal isolation. What isolation, person to person isolation you feel, and also within yourself, the loss of identity during this crisis. So instead of saying something negative to yourself like I am lonely, you reframe and say that is loneliness. So that is one example of reframing. And also be mindful by asking questions like what do I feel in my body while thinking about the news of this pandemic? What is happening in my brain to my body? What are the reactions that are going on? So try to become more mindful. Thank you.